So this is Kepner Knob Trail. Now I thought possibly, because I didn't look at a map or anything, I was really just out here on, a whim. I thought it was going to take me to the top of this peak, and from the road you can kind of see a rock on the top there. So I figured, hey, maybe that was Kepner Knob. This is where I'm going. Now this is where I really think it starts to get interesting. Because I didn't come this way the initial time. So I'm down here on this wall, standing on top of it, and you can hear a waterfall. And if you notice, right across the way, that's all built up. And what's interesting is down here, if you look across, this is kind of difficult, but where is it? Oh, right. There we go. In the dead center of the screen, you should be able to see some straight rock, kind of. I'm sorry, I'm so shaky. We're going over there. There's more walls. Down here is where I just came from, where the wall that I was walking on, I wasn't sure if it was a wall, kind of washes out. But then as you're standing down there, you can look up and see the rocks that I'm standing on. And then this is like a break in it, but then there's something here, and then the wall starts going off that way, and obviously it starts running up that way. And again, down there was the creek where I was just at, and way, where the hell is it now? It's about in there somewhere was the other wall, and over here's the road. So this is actually the spot that I shot my very first video in of this area, and I took some pictures of this little it's like a bolt and some wire there, some kind of carriage bolt. But this is a wall, and the other wall beside it, you can see, there are people doing work back here. They had posts, barbed wire fence that I was showing you at the other site. This wall goes the whole way up. It's the whole way up into here. I'm gonna walk out here and show you quick. So initially, as I was coming up this road, I had seen all of this stuff here, and I was just thinking, yeah, they're just pushing that aside to make the road. Now I already showed you way up there, because that's where I came out and showed you the Kepner Knob Trail is right at that tree in the center of the screen there. And I think that's a silver maple or something. I might be wrong on that. I have no idea what trees are. But yeah, so here's the other part of the wall, and we're going to continue up here. I must say, the parts of this wall are really well constructed. If you look out there, look at how nice and tapered that is. This is all just fieldstone. It goes right up into there. And if you look, it goes the whole way up. Not the whole way up, but considerably. And wraps around. We're gonna trail it off. See where some of this goes. Walk back in some of these briars. But yeah, this is pretty intense. Hamilton band. The band is, I think, a stone wall or fortified wall or something. I have to get some legit definitions for you. This is pretty insane. This is pretty intense. This is the other wall I was showing from that point. It's almost kind of eerie. There was quite a bit of stuff back here. Even all through here, it looks like this road was originally, you know, a pathway that was theirs, and they had a wall the whole way down through here as well. This is all the same stone. It's all built up here. But if you look off to the right, you still got these stones that... See, I'm just walking along this road, and there's a wall there. And here's a wall. There was a whole little thing here. So whether it's like a retaining, I don't know. Looks like there's water coming off down into this now, but